Welcome to KRWBIN, where we wear pink in October. It is football season and Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So we decided to do this HTV transfer that you can get available at creativecutsbyregina.com. We decided to do this transfer to represent fall, October, football season, and our hoodie will be pink to represent breast cancer awareness. So here we're using our HTV. We've already applied the carrier sheet. We are using the scraper to merge the carrier sheet to the HTV transfer, and we're just going to smooth out all of the air bubbles. Then we're going to pull that apart so that we will have the HTV print onto the sticky side of the carrier sheet. With this carrier sheet and print merged together, we'll place it on top of the hoodie, and we will center the transfer to the center of the hoodie, measuring 3 inches from the collar. We're placing our Teflon sheet on top of that. Our heat press is set to 320 degrees, and we will press the first set of press at 15 seconds using our heat protection gloves to protect our fingers. We will now remove the Teflon sheet. We will do a warm pull and pull off the carrier sheet topping, which can be pulled off while the print is still warm. We will replace our Teflon sheet on top for a second press of 15 seconds or less to your desire, and then we will remove the Teflon sheet. And here you have it, just in time for football season and Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So thank you for joining, and please like, share, and subscribe to KRWBIN.